You have to get so close. Do I look? You're always like so close to my face.
Anyway.
It's gonna be all right. This is Tooling with Julian. Brakes edition. Front brakes is my mom's car. This is gonna be a terrible instructional video. Almost every car is the same. I already have an issue. The whole flow of the fucking job is ruined. So what happens is, the lug's still there, but this aluminum cap is now jammed in your tool. I'm pissed! Why? Because they had to put fucking aluminum caps on this bullshit. Why? Oh yeah, it's easy. Just fucking do it in your driveway. It'll be fine. Why did you charge so much? You're gonna rip all these off. This is gonna be hell. And you're fucking me, Chrysler. You're fucking me hard. And what the fuck is this? This is what they give you to fucking break this shit loose. This don't even fit over the fucking caps either.
Can you just get the wheel off?
How are you supposed to fucking get yourself a flat tire? How are you supposed to change your flat tire? You may ask, why are we changing the brakes? It looks like the pads are probably pretty low. We'll get in there in a second, and we're gonna check it out. This is an American vehicle, and they're using lug bolts instead of lug nuts. What are you doing, Chrysler? You know why? Because Fiat owns Chrysler. That's the problem. Get your Duralast tool set. Fucking master tool set. $160. Probably don't even have the right size for this. Sometimes when you don't have the right size Allen, you take a Torx bit and you can use the same fucking thing. Or it'll strip it out. We got it. Sometimes they strip right out, and then you gotta drill them out. And all this thing is really doing is just holding the rotor onto the hub. But before you take the caliper off, you can just kind of jam a screwdriver in there.
Ow.
Oh, yeah. A little dangerous sometimes when it slips. But you keep prying and you get you seat the piston back into place just with a little screwdriver force. Look out, don't snap. Always bring more wrenches than you think it might be, just in case you did fucking wrong. Most of the time you are. And you're not supposed to let it hang, but you do what you want. That's the difference. That's the difference from the inside pad and the outside pad. Remember, hit it with your purse.
Hey.
This is your caliper bracket and removing the two bolts in the back. Yeah, this is inverted Torx bolts, but you can just use a a good 12-point box end wrench. Might break my Duralast. It's a caliper bracket, and then and then you drop it down. You only have to take one out, really, loosen the other one. Throw that in the fucking garbage. I should have checked that first. Hopefully the new stuff is the right stuff. Always open up the boxes first. We're gonna find out, and it's probably gonna be wrong, and then job's ruined. Pro tip: always have a knife. They're wrong. Maybe the rotors are right. Nah, my mom ordered them. That's probably where I went wrong. Always do the right thing. Just order the parts for your mom. Oh, those work. Always make sure your holes line up. Otherwise, you can't get the goddamn shit-ass fucking lug bolts. Rotors come with anti-rusting oils on it. and it's not good for bedding the pads. So you want to spray that shit off with brake clean. We gotta go get brake pads. Yes, I opened the box and I checked it, and they're the right pads. Pads are so good. I'm colorblind, but I can see very fine details.
Right.
See this? This says, see that CarQuest? Nothing. Shit. But look at the Duralast. NASCAR! Fucking racing. That's so your pads can slide nice. Since the cheapo pads don't come with those, you just clean the shit out of them. And if you don't want to clean them, you don't fucking clean them. You just fucking go on with your life. I'm tightening the bolt for the caliper bracket. Why are you using a hammer to tighten the bolt, Julian? They get rusty on the other side. Over here, like the bolt goes all the way through, and then water and shit and all this crap gets right on the end of the bolt. And then it doesn't want to go through the fucking hole like it used to. You can use a tap and die set to clean them up. I don't have one. Probably should purchase one, but I'm poor. These are your sliding pins for your caliper. But these are pretty good, so no need to adjust those. Maybe next time. Now it's time for your NASCAR pads. All right. These are cheap ones. Sometimes the pads got little squeakers on them and stuff. Has little nubs on it, and this one doesn't. That's so the piston can sit here. This one's for the outside because there's nothing pressing against the pad right there in that area. Pro tip. I've been doing this for 37 years, and I'm 29 years old. That's what they said on the internet. It goes right in. There we go. And it's in. And hopefully you press your caliper in enough. And guess what? It didn't. So you gotta get another tool. Just squeeze the shit out of it. And you gotta watch the boot in here, because sometimes it'll puff up, so you just stick like a little baby screwdriver. Have the boot rip, and then shit gets in there. And then you need a new caliper that you don't probably want to pay for, because some people get mad. What do you mean I need a caliper? Because it's fucking broken. And you know what? You put your kids in here. Nobody fucking cares about that. That's how you change your brake pads on a 2016 Jeep Renegade, a Latitude Edition. There's also a Red Dawn Edition. Was it Black Dawn? Maybe it was Black Dawn. Maybe some type of Vidgy gang. Yeah, you got your rotor. Always replace your rotors. People pad slapping out there for cheaper prices. What happens is the rotor wears down too, and then halfway through this pad life, the rotor starts to warp and you get problems and you can't stop as good. And then again, nobody fucking cares about that. Is it cheap? Oh, it's only $100? Okay, fine. Yeah. But new pads, you should try to get new hardware too. It's very helpful, but you can clean them up and it'll be all right. Rotors, pads, front brakes on a Jeep Renegade. Oh yeah, you get the wheel. Put the wheel on, put the wheel back on with your shitty fucking lugs. You're gonna have a hard time putting back on because they got aluminum caps on them, and you're gonna hate your life. But you gotta make sure the wheel's tight and torque it, and then you do the other side. That's it. I'm done talking.